How to contact support from inside the Kirin app. First of all, launch the Kirin app and ensure you are logged into your account. From the main lobby or home screen, look for the menu icon, which is usually shown as 3 horizontal lines or gear symbol, and tap on it. In the menu options, find and select Contact. This will open the support section where you can browse facts or directly send a message to the support team. To report a problem or ask for help, type your message clearly in the chat box or support form and then hit the send button. Be sure to give as much detail as possible about your issue so the support team can respond quickly and accurately. After sending, keep an eye on your in-app messages or email for replies from the customer support. Now you know how to easily contact Kirin support using the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.